At this point, we're well aware that matter can exist in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. So what we're going to do here for a little bit of review is just write down some of the things we know about each. Solids have an orderly arrangement. The attractions between particles is strong. The movement of particles we would consider to be vibrational because the particles are attracted and then they repel and attracted and repel. Liquids, on the other hand, are quite different. The particles are free-flowing. There has been energy added to increase the movement of particles, the speed of particles. That energy is enough to overcome some of the attractions. So the attractions are less than before when we were talking about our solid state of matter. And particles start to take the shape of the container, or at least the bottom of the container. And finally, in our gaseous state, there are little attractions between particles. Gases definitely fill their container. And in this example, because we can see that the type of particle is the same in each of the three states of matter, that this is obviously the same substance. So we have had an input of energy, we have increased the temperature, and over time we've taken this substance from its solid state through its liquid and into its gaseous state. So particles would be moving faster at this point. One other thing that we can say here is we had discussed three different terms. And so let me just write these terms here up at the top. We had discussed rigidity, fluidity, and compressibility. And in regards to these different states of matter, solids are rigid because of their arrangement. Liquids are fluid, meaning they flow together, they can be poured, the particles stick together. And gases are the most compressible because of the distance, the space between each particle. It's very difficult to compress a solid, but with a gas, because of the space, we can do that much easier. So those are three terms that you want to make sure you know definitions for.